In this video, I'm going to show you how to change slide order in slide sorter view in LibreOffice Impress quickly and easily. If you've ever built a presentation and realized that your slides are in the wrong order, this is the fastest way to fix it without having to delete and recreate anything. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to rearrange your slides in just a few clicks. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have a presentation saved, you can open that file directly. If not, go to the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation to start a new presentation. Once your presentation is open, look at the top menu and click View. This menu contains different ways to display and organize your slides, and the option we need is Slide Sorter. Click Slide Sorter and LibreOffice will switch your presentation into a grid-style view where every slide appears as a thumbnail. This view is perfect for reorganizing slides because you can see the full sequence all at once instead of moving back and forth one slide at a time. Now, find the slide you want to move. Click and hold that slide thumbnail, then drag it to the new position where you want it to appear in the presentation. As you drag, you'll see the other slide shift to make room for the one you're moving. This makes it very easy to place the slide exactly where you want it in the order. Once the slide is in the correct position, release the mouse button. That's it. The slide order is now changed in Slide Sorter view. If you need to move more slides, just repeat the same process. Click, drag, and release until your presentation is arranged the way you want it. This is especially useful when you're fine-tuning a lesson, business presentation, school project, or any slideshow where the flow matters. A quick tip. After rearranging your slides, always run through the presentation from the beginning to make sure the new orders make sense and the transitions feel natural. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in how polished your final presentation looks. So to recap, open LibreOffice, open your presentation, go to View, select Slide Sorter, then drag and drop your slides into the new order you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.